Welcome back. The Haiyan typhoon hit the Philippines has left almost 10,000 dead. That's almost 5% of country's population. That's what the local state authorities fear. Millions of residents in central Philippines have been displaced and thousands are feared dead. Philippines is fighting worst disaster in its history ever.
The typhoon swept around 6 islands in Philippines since past 72 hours. It destroyed cities, buildings and trees in Tacloban City. Authorities reported that the wind of Haiyan was travelling at the speed of 235 kilometers per hour. The country has around 2 lakh people.
An estimate given on the casualties, more or less 10,000, according to this report. For the whole province of Leyte.
Bangungot yung araw na yun. Talagang panalangin lang ang makapagligtas sa'yo.
So many dead people. We don't have bags. Bags for the dead kasi nakahilera lang sila maski saan-saan.
Houses were flattened, communication lines were jammed and dead bodies were lying everywhere. Here is an account by one of the eyewitnesses.
The tornado lasted for 4 hours. The hotel was just crumbling, you know, I mean, at first it was the ceilings that went off, and then the roofs just started to fly in all directions, and then the water just started coming.
Officials are trying to open the stores so that people can have access to food. Army officials and emergency organizations are deployed for safety and relief measures.
We're not prepared to say how much more at this point in time because that also is being collated at this time.
The United Nations officials feel this worst typhoon is comparable to the deadly tsunami in the Indian Ocean. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Wary MLA Benjamin Silva got injured while playing a football match in Dubai. The match was being played on the ground of Iranian club. It was Vashi Diwar Cup 2013. Though Benjamin got injured, his side won the tournament.
You have seen MLAs getting hurt in a scuffle with opposition party members in the assembly hall many a times. You have even seen MLAs getting hurt while controlling an unruly mob or agitations. But this would be first of its kind. Sporting, Valley MLA Benjamin Silva got his cheek swollen and sustained an injury while playing a football match in Dubai. It was on the ground of Iranian club. Benjamin Silva, though injured, is all right now. The good news, his side consisting of most of the ruling MLAs has won the match. These are the pics of our MLAs and their date with football match in Dubai. Avertan Furtado, Glenn Ticlo, Carlos Almeida, Milin Naik, Kaitu Silva and others all were in Dubai. Bureau Prudent.
Voice of Goa 2013 finals were held on Saturday at Colva Beach. In English category, Sabino Dias won the award, while in Konkani, Mangarish Dharwadkar claimed the top spot. It was an exciting weekend as popular singer KK's performance enthralled the audience. People enjoyed and moved to the KK's beats. Here are some of the glimpses.
Oh Hamdam, oh Hamdam, Suniore, oh Janiya Suniore, oh Janiya Sham ko khirki se chori chori nange paanch jaan aayega. Oh Hamdam, you gotta sing that with me now. Oh Janiya, dil khud garz hai, फिसला है ये फिर हाथ से कल उसका रहा अब है तेरा इस रात से खुद गर्ज है दिल इबादत कर रहा है धड़कने मेरी सुन तुझको मैं कर लूं हासिल लगी है यही जिंदगी की शाख से लूं कुछ हंसी पल में चुन तुझको मैं कर लूं हासिल लगी है यही
It's the male voice which would dominate the year in Goa after boys won Voice of Goa 2013. In English category, it was Sabino Dias, and in Konkani, Mangarish Dharwadkar topped as Voice of Goa. Have a look.
More can be said in the meantime. friends with the devil, so the world can never get me on my level. I'm just trying to get you off the cage. I'm a young lover's rage, gotta need a spark to ignite. My songs know what you did in the dark.
Oh, Surya, Orzorta controlar Tosot saso tuja mukhamola Tuja vine sosarat yakaina Tuja bogor mujandra zaina Maria Kitle subit tu Maria.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.